Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove the front bumper on a BYD Destroyer 05. This video will be especially useful if you're doing bodywork, painting, or just want to handle the job yourself without paying extra at a service shop. First, open the hood of the car. Right here, you'll see a plastic cover that protects the upper part of the bumper area. This cover is held in place by multiple plastic clips. They look simple, but you need to remove them carefully. Take them out one by one. You can use a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. The key here is to be gentle. Over time, plastic becomes brittle, and these clips can break easily. Quick tip: if a clip is stuck, don't force it. Try to pry it evenly from both sides. Once all the clips are removed, take off the plastic cover. Now you have access to the bumper mounting points. At this point, you'll see quite a few bolts and screws, but don't worry. We're only removing the ones that actually hold the bumper. Let's start from the center section. Here, you'll find 4 bolts. Remove them using a ratchet with a 10mm socket. Also, keep in mind that some of these bolts might be longer than others, so it's a good idea to keep them organized for reassembly. Pro tip: put all your bolts and clips in a small box or magnetic tray so you don't lose anything. After removing the center bolts, move on to the side sections. On each side, there are about 5 screws holding the bumper near the fenders. Remove all of them. You can use a power screwdriver to make things faster, or a regular screwdriver if that's what you have. Just make sure not to strip the screws or damage the plastic. Once one side is done, repeat the same process on the other side. Now that the upper part is fully loose, it's time to move to the bottom of the car. It's best to lift the car slightly. It'll make your work much easier. Underneath the bumper, you'll find additional screws and bolts. On the sides, there are usually 2 or 3 screws. Remove them with a power tool. In the center area, you'll find about 3 or 4 bolts that require a 10mm socket. Make sure to remove all of them, otherwise, the bumper won't come off properly. Once everything underneath is disconnected, we can move on to removing the bumper itself. Start from one side. Grab the bumper and gently pull it toward you. Important: don't use excessive force. There are clips under the headlights that hold the bumper in place. These clips will release if you pull straight outward carefully. If something feels stuck, don't force it. Double check if you missed any screws or bolts. Here under the headlight, you can see the mounting clips. They come off easily if everything is done correctly. Repeat the same process on the other side. Once both sides are free, release the lower part. Now the bumper is ready to come off completely. Just pull it toward you, and it should come off smoothly. One more important thing: if your car has fog lights, parking sensors, or any wiring connected to the bumper, make sure to disconnect all connectors before removing it completely. This will prevent any damage to the wiring. And that's it! The bumper is fully removed. As you can see, the process is not complicated at all. The key is to work carefully and follow each step. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I've got more useful tutorials coming up. Also, check out my other videos where I show how to remove the headlights and side skirts on this car. Good luck with your projects, and I'll see you in the next video.